In high-rise buildings, precast concrete construction, retaining walls, etc., access for subsequent maintenance is difficult, inconvenient, and expensive. This demands a high-quality weather-resistant sealant and proper installation procedure so that chances of failure are minimal. ASMACO PU90 single-component polyurethane sealant is the most effective answer to all these needs. It is available in gun-grade consistency. Let us see some of its benefits. It does not harden with aging. This prevents adhesive and cohesive failures with time. ASMACO PU90 has an elongation of 700% and accommodates continuous and pronounced cyclic movement. With a movement accommodation factor of over 25%, it is ideal for sealing of movement and construction joints, as well as joints between different construction materials. It has excellent adhesion to most construction materials, including concrete, glass, aluminium, and stainless steel, with a peel strength on concrete of 16 psi. This makes it ideal for use in curtain wall panels, tilt-up panels, window glazing, and flashings, etc. ASMACO PU90 remains unaffected by UV rays, ozone, and prolonged weathering, making it ideal for outdoor use. It is resistant to water, salt water, most alkalis, mild acids and common chemicals, vegetable oils, lubricating oils, and fuels. Therefore, it is suitable for use in water-retaining structures such as sewage treatment plants, reservoirs, dams, canals, and culverts. ASMACO PU90 is certified safe for potable water use, making it ideal for potable water tanks. It is also certified by Dubai's Central Laboratory as meeting Green Building Regulations and Specifications Clause 404.02. With a wide service temperature range of -40 degrees to +79 degrees Celsius, ASMACO PU90 is ideal for almost all climatic conditions. It is available in grey, white and beige colors. And for any other color of your choice, just specify your color from the RAL shade card. Therefore, ASMACO PU90 is absolutely the ideal choice, where tough technical requirements and aesthetics are both important, such as sealing prefabricated GRC or precast concrete panels, etc., because the sealant completely blends in with the color of the structure. It is also ideal for caulking joints around windows, doors, and skirtings, as well as wall and floor joints. With all these properties, ASMACO PU90 is far superior to all the conventional joint sealing materials like bitumen, mastics, metallic channels, and expansion sheets. ASMACO PU90 is very easy to use. Here is a quick look at the tools needed for this job. Also ensure that you wear protective clothing and use safety gear like helmet, eye protection, breathing mask, gloves, and safety shoes during application. Proper surface preparation is of utmost importance. Ensure that the joint surfaces are sound and fully cured. Clean the joint surfaces to remove all dust, latents, and other contaminants by rigorous wire brushing or grinding if required. Remove the dust. If a neat finish is required, mask the surface around the joint using a 2-inch wide masking tape. This will prevent the primer and sealant from spoiling the appearance of the surface. Priming is the next step. Using Anchor Prime U, apply one coat with a clean dry brush. Ensure complete coverage. Proper priming is critical. If the primer is not applied to the sides throughout the depth of the joint, then the sealant may lose adhesion during joint movement and the seal may fail. A high-density polyethylene backing rod is used as a bond breaker to adjust width to depth ratio and to prevent falling of sealant during application. If there is no backing material, the sealant makes a three-sided adhesion and fails during joint movement. Before positioning the backing rod, check the joint dimensions. Select the backing rod size so that after filling the backing rod, the width and depth of the joint should be as in the table on the screen. Position the backing rod. Ensure that the backing rod is 25% larger than the joint width, so that it is under compression and offers a good tooling base. ASMACO PU90 comes as a single component sausage, which is extremely easy to load into a bulk gun. Fit the barrel of the sealant gun. Now, cut off the tip of the ASMACO PU90 sausage and load it into the gun. Attach the barrel cap. The ASMACO sealant gun is supplied with a set of PVC nozzles, which are pre-cut to different bead sizes. Attach the desired nozzle to the cap of the gun depending on the width of the joint. Starting from one end, place the nozzle of the gun deep in the joint and press the trigger in the gun to discharge the sealant. Place sufficient sealant to fill the entire joint depth from the inside to the top surface evenly. Keeping the nozzle deep in the sealant, continue a steady flow of sealant to avoid air entrapment. Move the gun along the length of the joint in one direction only. Avoid overlapping the sealant. Once the joint is completely filled, press the sealant firmly against the joint walls using a tooling knife. This ensures 100% contact and adhesion with the surface and also helps in removing any entrapped air. If required, finishing can be done by tooling the sealant surface with a finger wetted in a 5% soap solution. Immediately after tooling, the masking tape should be removed before skinning of the sealant starts. If the masking tape is removed without delay, the edges are properly finished. The sealant cures at a rate of 1 mm depth per 24 hours. Let us see some of the areas where PU90 can be used. ASMACO PU90 can be used to seal the horizontal separation joints in the terrace slab, as well as vertical separation joints. It can be used to seal the construction joints between prefabricated GRC or precast concrete panels, as well as to seal the joints between facades and walls. It is also ideal for caulking joints around windows, doors, and skirtings, as well as wall and floor joints. Other application areas include water retaining structures, retaining walls, portable water tanks, and a whole host of other uses. Finally, let us see the precautions to be taken when using ASMACO PU90. Ensure that you apply PU90 only on totally cured and sound substrates which are completely clean and dry. A backing rod is essential as adhesion of the sealant must only be on the two opposite joint faces. The application temperature range is between 5 degrees and 50 degrees Celsius. Do not apply outside this temperature range. Most importantly, always wear protective clothing and use safety gear like helmet, eye protection, breathing mask, gloves, and safety shoes during application. Avoid product contact with eyes and skin. With over 60 locations in 46 countries, Anchor Allied Factory Limited has a global presence. For further information, please contact Anchor Allied.